So guys, in my last video, if you haven't seen it, it's in the top right hand corner now, we put the RS style body kit on my Audi S5. To some people they might hate this, to some people you might love it. I think it looks great. But today we're going to be taking it all off again. And that is because I am going to be wrapping the car.
But I'm not a rapper. What?
It is quite a difficult task and does take a fair bit of skill. Now, I'm not saying I'm a rap expert, so there might be a few people saying in the comments like you don't know what you're doing, but I roughly know sort of what I'm doing to an extent. So we're just going to give it a go ourselves. Now, as for the colour, it's over there. Let me go get it. So inside this box is 25 metres, which I hope is going to be enough, well probably more than enough, to wrap my Audi S5. Now before I show you the colour, I've got to prep the car and get it ready for being wrapped. And before we start guys, make sure you have followed Malibu Performance. The Instagram is here and also the Facebook up here or so. They have let me use their workshop again, which obviously we use to fit the coilovers. So massive shout out to that, they really didn't have to do it. Let's start drying the front of the car, getting it clean, getting it ready for the wrap. I can already see a lot of you clicking off the video, unsubscribing, thumbs down in the video, but please just bear with me. This is it's sort of electric blue. I know it's bright, but I normally just wrap the cars in grey, a really neutral colour, sort of a classy colour. I just wanted to go crazy. End of the day, this is YouTube. And also, please remember, this is my car. I can do what I want with it. I hope I've not offended you. Just remember that it is my car that I'm wrapping. The reason why I went for blue is that it's not too far off the grey colour. So when I open the doors, you're not going to notice a huge difference. Yes, I know I could have gone with grey as well, but I always go with grey. So, now we've got that out of the way, let's get to wrapping it. So I'd just like to show you as well how clever this wrap is. So here's a bubble, which normally you'd find if it was on a sticker or something like that, you would never be able to get this out. This would literally, you could just work this out with your finger without getting any creases on it. So it's just completely gone. Same with these bubbles. I mean, it looks easy, but I mean, it can get very hard in some places, but just something cool I wanted to show you guys. Guys, first panel is wrapped and we're sort of getting an idea now of what it's going to look like. So it is very bright, but I think it's going to look cool. It's going to be the brightest car I've ever had, definitely, but I did have a camo TT, that stood out a bit, but this is definitely going to be brighter than that. But guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this so far. You might hate it, you might love it. It's, you know what, it's a bit of fun. Come on, it's a £5 grand car, let's do it.
no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Now I can't keep it, that's all me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Should've seen a look when they saw me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Now I can't keep it, that's all me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Should've seen a look when they saw me. They ain't happy, they just shot. Killed Nipsey, they touched pop. Can't believe that I made it here. Bust rounds in my bus stop. No help, all me, get money on 3 game plan. In the hills, talking real figures. Got heel figure on the waistband. Like 4 bands, 4 hours, fuel efficient. Just know I get it done. Life a dream, life a game, all the same. Look like I really won. Roll the dice, you could bet that. Came.
Well, it's blue. We've got to get that bumper sort of on, well, bolted on, so I can start stretching the wrap around it. This bit could be difficult, but we're going to power through. Let's do this. We have got, well, you've probably been seeing loads of little clips of time lapses, but we're nearly there, guys, and we've got one of the biggest pieces left to go now, which is quite a crucial piece. Obviously, this whole rear quarter panel, which goes down the side skirt and on the pillar here, on the A pillar here as well. Before you start putting hate in the comments like, oh yeah, you didn't do this right, you didn't do that right. I'm not a rapper.
I'm not a rapper.
I'm not a mechanic either. And literally, this is just hobby, this is just entertainment. Just at least give me a thumbs up for giving it a try and giving this a go. Like, you don't learn stuff unless you just give it a go yourself, and what better place to learn than doing it on your own car yourself. If you want your car wrapping, bring it into Malibu Performance here. The guys will take it into that wrap room and do it themselves. Obviously, I'm out here literally in the workshop, which is full of dust and not the ideal temperature to do it. And I'm also underneath a Renault Clio Sport, so any Renault fans out there, thumbs up the video. So, right, I think we better get taking off some trims, make sure it's all ready to wrap, and let's get going.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name.
So, I thought I was recording, but I don't know, I think my camera stops, but I've stretched it over the whole car now. That was insanely difficult to do by myself, but I'm still managing. This is the thing. This is the difference between me and these other YouTubers. I'm getting stuck in here, I'm doing it myself, so let's do this.
Big bin dope on flame, I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again, I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you shaking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the Fit Lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping,
keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you ask it. Don't gotta sell it, most of y'all is flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's in since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in.
Now this has triggered a lot of people, the badge not being on the back. Have you know, we have got the Audi badge for the back, so no more triggered people in the comments. I've just got to get it in the right place, obviously, because there wasn't one on before. Don't exactly know where it went. So, here we go, sports fans.
Did it like the Porsches coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with.
Next up, S5 badge.
Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright, coming in.
Now what's left is the chrome trims. That's a job in itself, but most of all, I'm going to black the roof. I'm not going to have it blue, one because I've run out of wrap, and two, I think it would look a bit too blue. But what's quite difficult is this shark fin. It's hard to wrap around, so I'm going to try and take it off. So let's go have a look inside. Okay, so underneath this roof lining is a big old 22mm. I think it's 22, I'm about to find out. I've not removed the whole roof lining because it's an absolute nightmare, but I reckon I should be able to get my 22mm on the bolt and then push it up. I thought maybe, you know this, I thought maybe you could disconnect it from when I take the top off it. So we undid all the little screws and you can't, it's all connected, so you'd have to connect it inside the car, which means moving the trim, the roof lining down here and somewhere around there, which is just going to be a nightmare. So I reckon what I'm going to do is, at least now it's up, I'm going to cut a little hole for the wrap and then hopefully try and edge that through it and then wrap around it, put that on top and go like that. But we'll see how it goes. So let's clean the roof and we'll get going.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10, yeah.
Roof's done. Pretty much everything's done apart from the D-chrome, and we still need the badge on the front, which I have got at home. So I think I will show you guys once it gets light again, when we get outside, and I'll show you the full thing. Then we're probably going to do the D-chroming at home because I've had enough for today. So click to the daylight. Okay, so that is it. Obviously the weather was absolutely terrible. It's been throwing it down, so we've had to come inside at night to finally film the outro of the video. I'm literally so happy with it. It looks so sick. But it's proper bright. Obviously I've not done the dechroming just yet. I have done this top piece here, but you can sort of get the impression of what it's going to look like at the end when I finally dechrome that, but we'll leave that to another video. I also got a Audi badge off eBay to fit, so that's on there now, and someone has sent me some fog light delete cancel things, but we'll explain all that in a future video. But right now I'm going to get in the car and I'm going to head up north to Barnsley to Darkside Developments, where we're going to be walnut blasting, so like a carbon clean on the Audi S5, where we'll be doing a dyno run before and after. Then we'll finally get through to starting to tune it and do some performance modifications to it. So if you're looking forward to that, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. See you in the next video, guys.